Here is how to make this simple mask in a few minutes. Add a cube and subdivide it, then hold Shift, Alt, S to turn it into a sphere, then cut about half the sphere. Reshape the mesh, then let's add texture. I will go for a purple bluish color, put speculations and metallic all the way in roughness to 0.1. Duplicate the mask and delete all vertices except the ones at the edge, then convert this mesh into a curve, then go to Add, Curve, Circle. Select your duplicated mesh, press on this green button, go to Geometry, Bevel, Object, and drag and drop your circle here. Scale to your liking. When you're done, convert the edge back to mesh and add texture. I already have texture for the rest. Create a band out of a circle. I cut it in half, stretch it a little, then align it with the mask. Then you can extrude by pressing E, then reposition the band and add texture. To fix the texture we first need to set seams. For the band I put seams on both ends and across the band as a single line. To set a seam select vertices, then go to Edge, mark seam. Go to UV unwrapping, select the entire band, press A, in the left window to select all selected vertices, then press unwrap and scale until you're happy with the results. I repeat this with the edge except I unwrap it in 2 halves. I select all meshes and join them together. Now I can hide the fact my character in the background is headless. You can ask questions in comments and it would be appreciated if you subscribed.